Hey everyone, Ash here. I'm currently standing outside Abbey Hill Golf Club in Milton Keynes is where I am. I'm about to do a speaking gig this evening, which I'm really looking forward to. Business club, they usually have 30, 40 people in the room, so it's quite a cool place for me to be and hang out and share some knowledge, obviously, and just chat to people, meet new people. Love getting outside and talking to new people all the time. And my topic tonight is about following up. So I just thought actually it'd be a really good opportunity to jump on here and share just a quick thought about following up. So this event that I'm going to this evening, it's been in the diary for several months, 6 or 7 months actually, and been looking forward to it. And it'd be really stupid of me, remiss of me to kind of turn up tonight, do my thing, offer some value, and then just walk away. So what I've made sure I've done is I've set up a really simple automation so that when I finished the talk tonight, I can say to people, look, do you want a copy of the PDF? Do you want a copy of the presentation? And I'll send it to you, and that saves them having to take notes, and they can just fully focus on what I have to say and the interaction in the room between each other, etc., and be fully present. And obviously that way, that means I'll get their contact details, and then I can reach out to them and talk to them. And that we don't know where that will lead. And the really important message there is, I'm not going to wait until tomorrow to set up that follow-up. I'm not going to wait until after the deed is done, if you like, to then think about whether I should be talking to them or how to contact them, etc. Because that boat's gone then. It's too late. So I've thought about, before being here, I've thought about exactly what I need to do to leverage this opportunity that I've got this evening as best as possible, to make sure that when I come away from it, I will hopefully have picked up some leads, or at least generate some interest. And at very worst, I'll have had a few people put their hand up that I can then extend the conversation with and keep talking to, develop the relationship with, and who knows where that'll leave. So that was just my quick message today about making sure that you don't do your follow-up, or certainly don't prepare your follow-up after your first interaction with people, but get it ready, get it sorted before you go out there. Now, whether that's networking, doing a speaking gig, whatever it is, have a think about what are the action steps that you can take after the event, but think about those things before the event. I hope that makes sense. Hope it's useful. As always, if you've got any comments, ping them in the boxes below. Always love hearing from everybody, and I'll catch everybody tomorrow. Take care, guys.